time to put some new miles on those bikes of yours. Let's ride, hombres! Hey, it's Scott here from Yakima, and today we're showing off the Full Tilt. It's a hitch bike carrier that's available in 4 or 5 bike capacity. It carries bikes in style and is a cinch to install and use. Open the box and you'll see it's completely assembled. It comes ready for a 2-inch hitch receiver, but can quickly be adjusted to fit a 1 1/4 inch. Simply pull down the upper hand lever to extend the tongue. Find your hitch receiver and in it goes, like butter. Listen for the click of the auto pin. No need to go through the trouble of lining up holes. The auto pin does all the work. Then, turn the speed knob to tighten and lock. If you have other Yakima products, check out our SKS Same Key system, so you have one key for everything. Check that out! Boom! You done installed it! Spoiler alert, the Full Tilt features a mast that tilts. Without bikes loaded, lift the upper hand lever and release the mast into tilting position. It's that easy to get access to your hatch or trunk. But guess what's just as easy? Loading bikes onto this bad boy. Lift the trigger finger lever and extend the arms away from the mast. Load the heaviest bike on first, closest to the car, laying the top tube on the Uber Premium padded arms. Install 3 of the new ratchet-style zip strips per bike. And use the accompanying safety strap per instructions to secure the front wheel to the bike. Have a bike that doesn't want to load so easy? Get the Yakima Tube Top. Keep your bike secure with the integrated bike lock, bringing the cable up and over the bike frames and locking easily. Ta-da! The Full Tilt. Now you have 0 reasons not to ride a new bike trail every weekend from here on out. Say it with me, gear goes here, friends go here. Yakima, take more friends.